Hey everyone! Today I made over my patio by making a small gazebo with wooden deck and window screen, using pallets and some door trims. First, I'm cleaning the area where I have to install the small deck. To make the foundation for the gazebo deck, I'm upcycling these two panels that my dad made time ago, using pallet boards, and now were not in use. As the floor is not level, I'm adding few boards under the panels to make them level. I'm making the gazebo frame using the door trims, so to start I'm just giving a quick sand. One side of the frame is going to be high 2 meters and 15 centimeters, and the other side only 2 meters, so that when it rains, the water can drain easily. And here I'm just cutting the door trims on sides. In the two sides that are 1 meter and 80 centimeters long, I'm going to place the frame a few centimeters in from the corners. But at this point, I prefer to cut the two boards longer than I need, so that I can take off the extra part later. I'm using these two boards that I took from a pallet to complete the frame, and I made them long 1 meter and 30 centimeters as the length of the shorter size of the deck. I'm attaching these three boards together to make the part of the frame that goes on the side of the gazebo deck, using 2 screws per side, and before I'm pre-drilling the holes to prevent the wood from cracking. Now I'm attaching the frame to the gazebo deck using 2 screws per side. To end, I'm attaching the last 2 boards to connect the 2 parts of the frame together using screws. To connect the 2 panels together, I'm adding a small wood board on front and back using screws. I took apart all the boards from this pallet to make the floor of the gazebo deck. I'm using 2 long nails on both ends of the boards to attach them to the panels. Then I use a jigsaw to cut off all the extra part of the boards. Now a good sand. After taking off the dust, I'm staining the wood of frame and floor with 1 coat of water-based wood stain in the color dark walnut. To end, I'm applying 2 coats of wood finish to frame and floor. Using a nylon twine, I create a structure that I will use to hang lights and other decors inside to the gazebo. I bought a woven waterproof sheet for outdoor to make the roof of the gazebo, and I'm using it double. I'm cutting off the extra part of the sheet, leaving about 20 cm extra on each side, so that I have extra material to cover all the edges of the roof frame. Then, using a staple gun, I'm attaching the sheet to the frame. While I'm attaching the roof on the other side of the gazebo frame, I'm stretching the sheet as I go, making sure to don't leave any part of it loose. This step is very important to prevent the raining water to accumulate in the top of the roof instead of draining, and is to repeat also while attaching all the other sides of the roof to the frame. To cover all the staples, I'm adding some hemp rope as decor along the edges using small nails. To end, I'm adding some decorative copper nails. Last but for sure not least, I'm installing the window screen with Velcro to the gazebo. I'm applying the adhesive Velcro along the frame from inside the gazebo. for precaution, I'm securing the velcro to the frame using staples. Then I'm just sticking the window screen to the velcro, making sure to don't leave any opening. On the part of the gazebo that I will use as main entrance, I'm attaching the window screen only on the top of the frame, leaving the rest free. Before to show you the full reveal, let's bring in some furniture and decors. I made also 3 cute lamps to hang in the gazebo using these bottles of glass with metal cap and an outdoor string of lights. And here you can see how the lamps look in the dark. I made table and benches too. You can find the link for the video in the description below. It was my first time making a similar project, so this video is not intended as tutorial of course, but I'm super happy with how nice it turned out and I hope my video can be helpful. Thanks so much for watching and see you at the next project!